In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom social media buttons or icons in Mailchimp. This is a full guide for 2025, so let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. If you're not already familiar with this platform, Mailchimp is one of the most widely used email marketing services out there, offering a user-friendly interface to help you manage your email campaigns effectively. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the Campaigns tab and then head over to All Campaigns. This is where you'll see a list of all your existing campaigns, making it easy for you to manage and modify as you see fit. Now select the specific campaign you want to work on. You can do this by clicking the Edit button beside the campaign's name. This will open up your campaign so you can make the necessary adjustments. Now that your campaign is open and ready to be customized, the next step is to locate the social follow content block. You can find this in the content section of the editor. Simply drag and drop the social follow block into your email template. This move allows you to include various social media icons directly within your email, helping recipients to easily connect with your social profiles. Once you've placed the social follow content block into your template, it's time to personalize it. You'll want to add the links to your own social media pages. This part is crucial because it ensures that the buttons or icons will direct your users to the correct URLs. Mailchimp makes it straightforward to input and save these links, so be sure to double check them for accuracy to avoid any broken links or misdirected traffic. After inputting the correct social media URLs, ensure that everything looks good and is functioning properly. If all your links are correctly directing to your social media pages and the icons match your brand style, you're ready for the next step. Finally, it's time to click Save and Close. This will ensure that all your changes are saved and applied to the campaign. That's it, you've successfully added custom social media buttons or icons to your Mailchimp campaign. This simple enhancement can significantly increase your audience's engagement with your social platforms, opening up new avenues for interaction and feedback. Remember, integrating these social media elements into your emails helps bridge the gap between your audience's inboxes and your broader online presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials like this one.